If Google Chrome is opening unwanted sites every time you open a new tab, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix it step by step. This usually happens because of a bad extension, a changed startup setting, a browser hijacker, or pop-ups and redirects being allowed in Chrome. The good news is, you can usually fix it in just a few minutes without needing any advanced tech skills. If this tutorial helps you out, please take a second to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech fixes like this. All right, let's jump right in. First, we're going to remove any suspicious extensions. Open Google Chrome and click the 3 vertical dots in the top right corner of the browser. From the menu, hover over Extensions and then click Manage Extensions. This will open a page showing all of the extensions installed in Chrome. Now take your time and look through the list carefully. If you see any extension you do not recognize or anything that looks suspicious, unnecessary, or recently added, click Remove. Some unwanted extensions can force Chrome to open random websites, track your browsing, or change your home page in new tab page, so this step is very important. If you're not sure about an extension, it's better to remove it and reinstall it later if you actually need it. Once that is done, the next step is to reset your Chrome settings. This helps remove hidden changes that may be causing the unwanted website behavior. Again, click the 3 vertical dots in the top right corner, then click Settings near the bottom of the menu. In the left-hand menu, click Reset Settings. In the center of the screen, click Restore Settings to their original defaults. Chrome will show you a confirmation window, and from there, click the blue Reset Settings button. This will reset things like your startup page, search engine, pin tabs, and some extension settings, but it will not delete your bookmarks, browsing history, or saved passwords. This is one of the most effective ways to clean up Chrome when it starts acting strangely. After that, we need to check your startup page settings. Sometimes Chrome is set to open a specific website every time it starts, which can look like the browser is opening unwanted pages on its own. To check this, click the 3 vertical dots again and go to Settings. In the left-hand menu, click On Startup. Here you'll see a few options. If you want Chrome to open cleanly, choose Open the New Tab page. This will stop specific websites from loading when you open the browser. But if you see an unfamiliar website listed under Open a specific page or set of pages, click the 3 dots next to that URL and then click Remove. This is a very common place where unwanted websites get stored, so make sure to inspect it carefully. Now let's block pop-ups and redirects, because some sites use these to push you to unwanted pages automatically. From Settings, click Privacy and Security on the left menu. Then click Site Settings in the middle of the page. Scroll all the way down and click Pop-ups and Redirects. Make sure the circle next to Don't allow sites to send pop-ups or use redirects is selected. This helps prevent websites from forcing new tabs, redirecting you somewhere else, or opening pages you never intended to visit. If the setting was already enabled, that's fine. If it was turned off, turning it back on can make a big difference right away. If the issue still continues after doing all of that, it may help to restart Chrome or even restart your computer so all changes fully take effect. You can also go back and double-check your extensions, startup pages, and site permissions one more time to make sure nothing was missed. In many cases, one suspicious extension or one bad startup page is all it takes to cause the problem. So to quickly recap, remove suspicious extensions, reset Chrome settings, check your on-startup page, and block pop-ups and redirects. Those 4 steps solve most cases where Google Chrome opens unwanted sites on a new tab automatically. If this video helped you fix the issue, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.